Hey y'all, welcome back to the Lisa Dukes channel. We have a cast of characters we're going to be using today. This is Too Faced Chocolate Gold. We're going to use this palette today. We're going to use the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette today. This is the first one I held up. Just in case, oops. Just in case you didn't see it. Hold it back up. Use this one today. This one. And finally, one of the YSLs I got from Nordstrom Rack. Right, working on tomorrow's look. And we're going to work right now. Already primed our eyes with Tatcha Silk Canvas. And the first step is to put on our liner and then smudge her out. I used a little bit of Locket, a little bit of Locket powder from Kat Von D. Got that from Sephora this year. I need to get my black. There she is right here. After I use the black liner, I'm going to smudge it out with the L'Oreal Paris. This is in the color of Eternal Black. Got that from ShopRite, early this year. So let's go to work. The idea from this, I will write her name in the description box. I did wipe off my makeup from before. It might be like a little bit left behind. Put the liner on first. Going for a smoky eye look. Liner here. And it might not be perfect, but right here on top of your eyelash or on top of your eye, put this black liner. I don't own any music playing behind me. No music I own. I hear our baby boy snoring while I try. This is the best lighting in the house. I might grab myself a mirror here so I can see this a little closer. Better for you, better for me, better for us. I don't know what I'm thinking. I got mirrors on these palettes. I'm just looking at and do what I need to do. But they don't have lights, sadly. That's a good one. We're gonna try to work on what we have. So I need a black. I already got my eye lined with my Mally. So next step is to get a black, smudge out the bottom lash line and smudge out the top. So I guess I could probably still use the L'Oreal. I don't know. I got this black right here through the chocolate palette. Maybe won't use her. All right, we'll use the Too Faced because I was going to use this for their next one or so. I was going to possibly use the chocolate truffle. So here are the two colors at the bottom. This is the, I believe it's Decadent, and this is the Cocoa Truffle. So Decadent and Cocoa Truffle. So our time is going. See how far we can get. Oh my gosh, chow. So it's like light here and then not so much. Hold it like this. And then bottom of the lash line. My hair, our baby boy sleeping. on the bottom lash line, that black, and then take a little bit more. Can't see me. Take a little bit more here. Put on top of that lash line. Just going across it. I'm going for a navy and maybe a little bit of pink look. Looks like it's going on okay. I have to angle it so I can see the light. That's why you see light up there. So I can see that I am indeed applying it. It might be raining out right now. Okay, be right back. Well, it's YSL time. We done put on that black. I'm gonna put on this dark blue here at the bottom. Right here at the bottom, dark blue. See how she goes on. Then on top of that, possibly maybe a brown. I want to lightly tap off the excess. This is navy blue. No, I'm trying to see. You see? I see what I'm trying to see. Just gonna start patting it in the center. I'm definitely noticing fallout. I'm just gonna pull it down. Because sometimes I notice I don't go deep enough into the eye. I'm going for a half moon shape. And looks pretty good. You can hopefully see that that is a blue, dark navy blue. That's what we're going for. Alright, look at this other eye. Oh man, I did forget a step. Hopefully I can just get around it. Got a steady eye. Pull it down. Get up in there. Get up in my eye. Just trying to shape and mold it. That's what I've noticed on another vlogger watching this process. When it comes to this, it's just about knowing you have the wherewithal to do what you're doing. Hop application, put it on. Don't let it freak you out. Go in, maybe do it off camera, then do it till you can do it on camera, till it comes out the way you really desire it to come out. Right? Let's see. We have another blue. Let's see if we're there. Technically, she did like a brown hue with it. I can go in with my brown. Now I had to go back to that Too Faced palette. See if we can get this brown on and be right back. It's yet raining. I've changed things around. Sorry if I scared you. Sorry if I scared myself. I forgot to put some blue in the background before I put on my brown. Before I did anything, I should have put blue in my background. But now, I'll have to use that another time. I don't think it'll look quite right because I've already put that brown all in here. Excuse me. You may hear it raining in the background. So, I don't think I can do is possibly just try it as a highlighter. I got a lighter blue. This blue out of the palette. It's showing very bright, but it's actually, there we go, that's better. Pretty true color. We can try to do something with it, or I don't know. Hate to mess it up. Hate to mess it up. Technically, we can try sticking it in a crease right here. We can try it. If it look crazy, then you know that was not the thing to do. Put a little more on the brush. Where are you? Again, this is the YSL from tap. You're not supposed to close your eye. And she's looking a little. I'm trying to see if I can make it look like it's been there always. You know, I love doing vlogs, as you may notice. But sometimes with my makeup vlogs, they look better off camera than on camera. That wasn't super bad. It's nice to watch other people do makeup, but when you start learning this, I guess that the deal of it is learning how to do it on your face, what looks right for you. Because what looks good on one person may not look right on you. You can try it all day, but maybe it's just the application. It's about how you did it, the whole nine, that kind of thing. Alright, it's not awful. I can always adjust that. I'm just making circles. Maybe that's what I should have done from the jump. Sometimes I get one eye a little better than the other. It's just a situation. Alright, you know it's coming. Be right back. I'm back. Alright, might have went too much on this eye. This one's okay, but this one's a little bit right here. I'm gonna have to maybe use a little brown on. That might make sense. Try a little brown on the imperfection. Other than that, it's going okay. There is a pink in here, but she's too light. My hair colors a light pink and dark pink for them all. I just want to incorporate it somehow. Let's see, can we make it? Ooh, nothing but bad. So we've used the chocolate gold, the YSL, and now we have the Life is a Festival by Too Faced. Out of here, I was going to use something called, right here at the bottom, this one's called Fantasy, and we're gonna try to see where she's gonna work at. We're just gonna go around the up and through here. I don't know. You could probably start right here, maybe. Or just go under the eyebrow. In any event, hope we don't have to wipe anything off and tell you we started over, because that's not fun. That's not fun. So we'll see now. The Fantasy color is pretty nice. It is in between purple and pink, because I was going to do Fantasy and Young and Free. Oh, that's definitely like a purple, but these two colors are like combined of the my hair color. It starts off very dark pink and then it goes into a light. It's just something I just thought was really nice. But I'm gonna be right back in case it works out in between you. I'm in the hall. I'm vlogging from the hallway, running to the restroom because I got more light there. Seeing how this is looking, and if it's looking okay, I'll be right back. And if it's a fail, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, y'all would not believe what happened. I noticed to not like go all the way to this part of the eye, not go all the way right here. I was not making it blurry. Hopefully don't start here, but start here. So I started here with the darker color, the Fantasy, but as I was doing it, once I got it going, I put the Young Free on top. So that's how I got this dark light situation, which is kind of fine because I'm wearing a white shirt, blue pants, pink and blue, pink on pink hair. White shirt, blue pants, pink on pink hair. So this eye look is fine, other than that mistake I made right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this for y'all. We'll start off with the Fantasy right here. I put a lot on my brush. I put a lot. Good enough I usually do. Oh, there's a lot on the back. Okay. Then start from here, right under the eyebrow. Sometimes you look at these beautiful, wonderful YouTubers So that looked good on its own. That looked real good. And then what I did in the bathroom, you heard me, I was in there cracking up. I went into the Young and Free to see what would happen. Because the other color was good, but you know, I wanted to see. And this is what happens when you put the Young and Free to tap off the excess. Put the Young and Free here. See how bright she get? And that's kind of fine, but not really. So I went back into the fantasy. That's right here. Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't think Lisa wanted that bright. Now lips, I couldn't tell you. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll turn this good light on. Lips, I couldn't tell you what we're gonna do for the color of our lips. Because you know this fantasy is good, but I don't think I'm trying to be that bright. I'll put her over it. Not bad. People ain't talking about me too bad. It's just this is how I'm doing it. Maybe a little different than most people, but that's why I'm different. This is what's happening. You need to go in with maybe a bit of a pencil, a little bit of something. But the eye is kind of done. All the way under that eyebrow where she stopped. I'm going to use those, I don't know, maybe the tape I got for the eyeshadow. Because it was a lot of fallout. I should have used it because when I used the YSL, the fallout was everywhere. I don't know if it's a year-old product or whatever it is, but it's a beautiful product. The YSL, I tell you, she be bringing it. And then the Huda Beauty I've been using, she be bringing it too. So a lot of different eyeshadow brands I've been getting. Some have a really pungent, wonderful color, wonderful, you know, application personality, and some of them just a little weak. I wanted to work the first time, not the 100th time. You know? And then I wanted to come off. I want the makeup to come off. I don't want it to feel like I have got something so strong, something from Home Depot on my face, and I practically bleed to get it off. I know you feel me. I feel me. So we got a little bit of time. We're gonna do really liking that navy blue. Scared to put it down here. Put a little dab right there. Not much, but it looks pretty good. I don't like that color. Alright, let me get on them eyebrows real quick. You know what it is. Quickly, I want to thank God for the Yves Saint Laurent brand we use from Nordstrom Rack. The Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette we used today. A little bit of that we used. This was the dark blue. Got the blue from here. The Too Faced gave us our black and brown. What brown was it? The black decadent and the cocoa truffle. These two at the right here, black decadent and the brown cocoa truffle. And the Life is a Festival, Peace, Love, and Unicorns. I got this from, came out last year, but I got this from TJ Maxx, and that gave us the two different pinks we're rocking. So currently, we're finishing up with our eyebrow again. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop the thing. All right, yeah, I'm finished up on our eyebrow. And then we'll do our setting spray, and we'll be officially ready for tomorrow. Turn the light on, that would help. You know that song, Amen? Turn on the light from heaven, Lord, shine on me. Turn on the light from heaven, Lord, shine on me, shine on me. Turn on the light and put me, that's, what's her name? Thank God my husband, not boyfriend. Husband, like Vanessa Bell Armstrong, and that's the one that sings the song. Almost time for the spray. We gotta be right back. This recording may stop. This is the Born This Way foundation, powder foundation, in the color Mahogany. And I'm going to get up around my, well, you can see where I'm brown and where I should be, and just not looking right. So we're going to try to fix it. I did prime my face a little bit. I'm just going to go around the forehead. I did use a spray for primer. You could probably see the difference because I can see something happening. Did not really plan on doing a lot of this, but hopefully it won't be, my skin won't look too uneven, because I didn't really plan on doing my entire face. Just it looked a little sloppy around there. Alright, I'm gonna hit that bathroom mirror. Try to be right back. Hopefully you can see it. Try to show you what we did. We're doing this under the eye with the powder. Under the eye, we came down the nose a little bit. Just a little bit. And this cover, you get the right color, shade, help you in Sephora to show you exactly where you need to be. See y'all soon.